Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are unboxing this scented slime mixer. We got this from Five Below yesterday, and we just want to see what it's all about. You don't judge my nails because I'm in the process of actually taking them off, so they look a little crazy, but let's get this open and let's show you guys what it's all about. Okay, we're back, and so it came with this slime mixer, and then it came with cake batter scented slime, a slime mix, another slime mix, and then this is just like the mix-ins, like foam beads, sprinkles. Let's see those.
Real sprinkles?
No, I don't think it's real. Let's see. So you get foam beads, sprinkles.
Real sprinkles.
This says purple colored powder, blue colored powder, pink colored powder, and iridescent glitter. Okay, let's see what the instructions say. It comes with these little instructions, and it shows you different ways to make different slimes on the back. So the first thing it says, unpack your slimy mixer and lay it out on a flat surface. Pull back the top arm so that you have easy access to the mixing bowl. Pull out your ingredients and plan what slime you want to create. So let's see, what slime do we want to make?
This one, because I have the sprinkles and I want to do it with that.
Yes, okay, so we're gonna do it says scented slime and mix-ins. So you need to get the scented slime, which would be this one, the cake batter slime. And then it says we need the iridescent glitter, the sprinkles, and the foam beads. That's not the foam beads. This is the foam beads. Foam beads? Yes, that's the foam beads. Okay, so we're gonna put this other stuff to the side, and this is the stuff we need. Okay, so now you just put it in there, and basically, I think you just mix it up. It says start by adding one of the white slimes provided in the mixer as your base. Add color powder and mix in to craft your own slime recipe. To mix your slime, pull the arm down until it locks into position. Hold the handle on top and rotate it clockwise and counterclockwise alternatively. The whisk will rotate and mix up your slime creation. Then you can take out your slime to play with it and make some more. Okay, so first we have to get this is the scented slime. So yeah, I'll just open it. Okay guys, so let's put so they can see. Alright. Ooh, pour it in there. I'll show you what it looks like, guys. It looks like glue, really.
Or milk.
Yeah.
Bubble.
Great. Okay.
It's a bubble in it.
Okay. Alright, now I need to open, once you get it all in there. Let's see.
I'm gonna put this in.
It's really slimy.
Can I feel it?
Ooh, it's sticking everywhere. Okay, so now we need to do our mix-in. So we can do sprinkles are the first ones that we're gonna add in. And I'll bring this up. You can see. Add the sprinkles in. Okay. We'll do the iridescent glitter. We'll do that next. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, now we'll do the foam beads. Can you open it? Okay.
I feel like
Whoa. Look at it, it looks pretty cool. I'll show you guys.
looks like
Looks like that. Okay, now it says to mix it. You mix your locks down first. Hold on, yeah, mix your locks. Oh, I guess it locked. It said to make it lock, but okay, so we'll hold it and then we'll mix it around. Start mixing, mixing, mixing. Do it both ways. The other way too. It said both ways. Keep going both. It said go that way and that way. There you go.
yeah.
It's all slimy.
Go to the next one.
Yeah, we can do the other one too.
Yay!
Okay, let's see. Let's see if we need to mix it more if it's done. We might need to pull it out some since it got stuck.
Yeah. Yucky. I want the bathroom.
Go ahead. Okay, now I think we got it all mixed up enough. And then it's it's really slimy. It's really gooey.
Sticky, gooey. Ew.
I guess we can get some of that out. But okay,
I want to feel it.
once we got it kind of mixed up, it's really slimy.
Ew. But at least it doesn't stick to your hands. That's what I thought it was gonna do. I want to feel it.
It's really slimy.
It feels like wet, sticky glue.
Yeah, it does feel like glue. And honestly,
Turned out good.
it's not the best slime, but
It looks great.
to me it's kind of a mess.
Yeah.
It's very slimy. It seems like it will stick together, but it is very, very, like, still like this. Very, like, slimy. It didn't really do a good job to me. But it seems like you can pick it up, but I don't really think you can pick it up. Let's see. Ooh, I can get it all out. Let's see. Ooh.
I'm not touching it
It
again.
really seems like the slime, if you keep it moving, it doesn't stick to your hand as much. But see, it's like very,
Slimy and gooey.
yes, it's very slimy. It's very like this.
We made it first time.
Let's see.
Remember the other one that we made?
Trying not to drop it because I don't want it to get all over the table. But
Remember the other one we made? It didn't work.
yes, but this one,
Did work.
kinda, but it got really slimy. So
Yeah, I like when
I'm
it's
just gonna try to
slimy.
get all of this off my hands and get back in here. But oh goodness,
Go wash your hands.
I know.
That's what I did.
Get it. Can't really get it all off, but I'm probably gonna have to wash my hands now. But
Why didn't it?
yeah. So okay, now that my hands are all clean, so I really feel like this was not a fail, but it wasn't the best slime. It was really kind of like, really like watery and like
And gooey.
gooey. So it didn't, you really couldn't play with it because it was so wet. But it was $5, Five Below. So, you know, not a bad deal. It looks, here's the box it comes in.
It's
It
definitely.
says scented slime mixer, comes in this box. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye.
Bye.